Hello everyone! This morning I'm going to show you how to make delicious mango smoothie. I'm going to start with chopping my mango into small cubes. This is one of my favorite smoothies. You can drink this smoothie for breakfast. It is a very simple recipe. I will only be using 3 ingredients. The first ingredient is mango. The second ingredient is vanilla yogurt. And the third ingredient is a glass of milk. I will also use frozen mango because frozen mango makes the smoothie ice cold and very refreshing. I'm also going to add a cup of vanilla yogurt. And a glass of milk. Okay, now let's start. Pour into a glass and taste it. It is a very delicious mango smoothie. It tastes really good. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hope you all have a nice day. Bye bye.